warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Syarifah Nabila. You can call me Syarifah. I'm from 5B Business Administration. Today, I want a presentation about how to make brownies to fulfill professional English assignment. The first time, I will start my presentation from ingredient, then how to make brownies, the last conclusion. The ingredients are 115 gram dark cooking chocolate, 50 gram butter, 40 ml vegetable oil, 2 eggs, 115 gram fine granulate sugar, 100 gram wet flour, 35 gram cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Topping is chocolate chips. The next, how to make it. Step 1. In a medium heat-proof bowl, set over a pot of barely simmering water. Melt the chocolate, butter, and oil, stirring constantly until the mixture is smooth. Step 2. Add the eggs, refined sugar, and vanilla. Whisk until the batter looks smooth and shiny about 1 minute. Step 3. Add the melted chocolate mixture, mix well. Step 4. Then add the flour and cocoa powder mixture, shifting gradually while stirring. Step 5. Then pour the dough into a mold that has been covered with parchment paper and add the topping. Step 6. Preheat oven 10 until 15 minutes. Step 7. Bake at 170 degrees or adjust with each open until cooked. Step 8. After cooking, cool briefly, remove from fan and cut according to taste. The conclusion. So, to make chocolate brownies, the ingredients needed are dark cooking chocolate, butter, vegetable oil, eggs, sugar, wet flour, cocoa powder, and vanilla extract. How to make it? Just melt the dark cooking chocolate, then mix the eggs, sugar, flour, and other ingredients, then stir until blend, then immediately bake in the oven. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.